Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.